In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a planner from one team in Microsoft Teams to another. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Teams. Once you're on the Teams page, simply log in with your usual credentials. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's essential to ensure that all your teams and channels are accessible. Now, once you're logged in, navigate over to the original team where the plan you want to copy currently resides. This involves selecting the specific channel that hosts the relevant planner. You may have different channels, so make sure you're selecting the right one to avoid any confusion later on. Upon reaching the suitable channel, look out for the Tasks tab, which, in some instances, might appear labeled as Tasks by Planner and To Do. If you don't immediately see this tab, click on the plus sign at the top to add it. This is a crucial step that allows you to access the planner features you need for this task. With your Tasks tab opened, direct your attention to the top of your plan where you'll find three small dots, usually referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots and select Copy Plan from the drop-down menu. Doing so opens a dialog box where you'll be prompted to give your new plan a name. It's helpful to choose a name that's both descriptive and clear, keeping in mind anyone else who might use or manage this plan later on. After naming your new plan, you need to decide where this copied plan will go. Choose the group associated with your new team as your destination. This ensures that the plan lands exactly where it should, making it easy for everyone involved to access it. As you proceed, you'll also need to decide which elements of the plan to copy. You have the option to include various components such as checklists, due dates, and task descriptions, or you can simply opt to copy everything by default. Once you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click the Copy button to initiate the copying process. The next step involves adding this newly copied plan to your new team. For this, shift over to the team where you want the plan to be added. At the top of the channel, there's a plus button. Click on that and select Tasks by Planner and To Do from the presented list. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to choose between creating a new plan or using an existing one. Here, you'll select the option to use an existing plan, and from the drop-down list, choose the plan you just copied. Confirm that everything looks right. And, to wrap things up, click Save. That's it. Your plan has now been successfully copied over to a new team, making collaboration smooth and hassle-free.